How to connect or pair to a Bluetooth device on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down. You will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on Bluetooth. Here after click on Bluetooth, your device is showing here. So if you want to connect or pair Bluetooth device, click on device. After click on device, you will see here showing you pair option too. So you click on pair, you will see your devices connect. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can connect or pair to a Bluetooth device on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe.